over here! Welcome back!
Why are you shouting like a lost tour guide?
I'm excited. I even came early.
Early? I told you the train arrives at 5 p.m. You came at 7 p.m.
I wanted to avoid the rush.
You avoided so much rush that even the train avoided you.
Dad, I got you a welcome home gift. A little surprise.
You bought me a gift? With whose money? The bank's? Your friends? A loan app?
No, from my heart.
Son, your heart is broke. Your wallet is broke. Your excuses are broke. The only thing that's not broken is my disappointment.
Dad, you're ruining the surprise.
I am not ruining the surprise. I'm protecting my money because I know we'll have to pay for it later, just like I paid for your underwears.
Wait, Dad, let me take a picture. Say cheese.
Cheese? You don't even have money to buy cheese. Say job application instead.
Dad, please, I'm trying to welcome you.
And I'm trying to fix your life.
Dad, I woke up early today. I'm starting morning exercise.
Exercise? You mean walking from bed to the fridge?
I did stretching too.
Yes, stretching the truth.
At least I'm trying.
Try harder. Even the alarm clock works harder than you.